Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to cover percentage of change and specifically decreased. So in the last video we did increase of the percent of change. This video we're going to do decrease. So I got two examples here, 22 to 13 and 85 to 38. So let's start off with the first one. 22 to 13. We know the price goes down. We're talking price wise. We know the number goes down. So the formula is still the same of the last video, the increase. So the formula is amount of change, which is the new number minus the old number. So 13 minus 22 equals minus 9. So amount of change divided by the old number. So we take the minus 9 divided by the old number, which is 22, and we get minus 0.409. Okay, so this isn't our percentage yet because now we created the decimal number of the change. But we need the percentage. So what we do with the decimal now, take the decimal number, 0.409, and we times it by 100. I have a simple trick for this. If you times something by 100, you can take the decimal and just move it over 2 times. 1, 2. So in between the 0 and the 9. So the answer will be minus 40, minus 40.9%. So you can write this like this, the answer, or you can write it like 40.9% decrease, like this. So this was the first example. Now let's go over to the second example. It's the exact same thing, exact same formula, but just with a bit of a bigger number. So 85 to 38. So we take the new number and so 38 minus 85 equals minus 47. So this is the amount of change. Like this. This is the amount of change. Now we take the amount of change minus 47 divided by the old number, which is 85, and we get the decimal number of the change, which is minus 0.553. This is the decimal number. Now, the last step, we take the decimal number, 0.553, times it by 100, and we're going to use the trick again, move the decimal by 2 times, and we get minus 5.3%. So this will be your answer, or you can write it like this one. So 55.3% decrease. So this was the video about percentage of change and decrease. I hope you guys understand it. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions left, leave them in the comments and I will answer them. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.